Hey, what's up fellas, Mechanic Mo here. Quick video how to replace the AC compressor on a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. First thing what you're doing is you remove the tire on the front right side, and then you are removing the engine cover, which is placed right here. Next, what you are going to do is to put a 3/8 wrench here with extension and turn left to take the tension out to remove the serpentine belt. After that, you have two 13mm bolts right here, has to be removed. Also, you have a connector which is looking like that. You gotta push this clips up and then press and remove the connector. And then what you do is you gotta have another 13mm nuts. You unscrew them out, and then you gotta take a E7 socket, and then you're gonna place it in here, and you are going to remove the studs out. This way the AC compressor is gonna be dropped down. And then once you are done with that, before you are unscrewing this, make sure you got the freon out of the system. So you want to make sure the freon is removed, and then before you remove the studs, you gotta get the nuts out and then remove the hose. So you have one nut here, and then you have one nut there. As you see, yeah, you take them off and then remove the studs, and then the compressor is coming out. Next, to take the alternator out, you are going to take the studs out. Here is the stud. It's a E socket 7mm. You remove this, and then you get the AC compressor. Alright guys, the car is ready. Hopefully this video helped you out to fix your own car. If it did, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for a new video. That was Mechanic Mode. Bye.